This German-based company has always been at the forefront of the world's mobility needs. Seeing the immense demand for parking at the 1972 Munich Olympics, they put into action their engineers' designs for automated parking systems and car lift stackers. Today, with over 800,000 parking spaces installed worldwide and dealers in over 60 countries, including the United States, their innovative and sustainable parking systems reduce space used for parking while multiplying the number of parking spaces. Safe, efficient, and durable, their state-of-the-art parking systems, combined with deep-rooted values of reliability, quality, and partnership, are brought to life now in their American division. Join us in New Jersey and meet KLAUS Multiparking America.
KLAUS Multiparking America Inc. is a direct subsidiary of KLAUS Multiparking GmbH, which is a German company, which is located in the southern part of Germany. We've been now established since 2020, but been doing business in the United States directly with dealers since 1990, so we've been in the markets over 30 years.
We are unique because there are differences in our company from the core of the fabric of the company, and so I'll break it into two parts. The first part being that you are working with a 100-year-old company that's been producing these types of products for this parking industry, in the European market and now the US market. The second is the advantage of the experience creating a better product.
We do everything from your dependent stacker. These dependent stackers, as the name says, you would have to drive out the car below to get the car above out. We do what we call puzzle parkers. These puzzle parkers are more for a multifamily situation where we actually have independently moving systems and platforms. They move, as the name says, like a puzzle. And we go up to actually fully automatic parking systems. These fully automatic parking systems are actually systems that take your car and bring them to your parking space. We have 2 here installed in New York City. Internationally, we have over 90 installed, and these systems are really the premium product.
Many times it's space, and space is at a premium. And what we allow the owner of a building to do is take this parking requirement that could be thousands of square feet and reduce it in many cases to 1/3 of its original space consumption. And what we do at KLAUS is ensure that the environment is beautiful, it's clean, it's safe, it's functional, and it's reliable.
We've built approximately 50 buildings in Jersey City, and parking is paramount for each project. KLAUS enabled us to triple the capacity of our 20,000 square feet. We fit enough parking that would normally fit in 60,000 square feet.
KLAUS Multiparking America Inc. is a manufacturer of mechanical parking solutions. We give you a turnkey solution with great service and reliable service in the United States. This is the reason why KLAUS Multiparking America Inc. is one of the world's greatest.